Hello and welcome to Miracle Mind. This is your moment to relax and open yourself to receiving money in abundance. Find a quiet, peaceful place to sit or lie down. Turn off your phone and all distractions. Make sure you are safe and comfortable. This is your time. Just 5 minutes to relax, breathe, and allow. Now say this in your mind or out loud. I am open to receiving money now. Money flows to me easily and peacefully. I attract wealth with ease. I welcome financial blessings into my life. Imagine money arriving in any form: a bank deposit, a check, unexpected cash, a gift, a refund, a new opportunity. It is already on its way to you. Feel the joy and calm that comes with financial support. You are worthy of receiving. You are ready. Let go of any worry. Let the universe do its part. Breathe in trust. Breathe out fear. Repeat after me, silently or aloud. I receive money with gratitude. I am aligned with abundance. I trust the process. I am financially free. Stay in this peaceful feeling for a moment. Know that everything is working out for your highest good. You don't need to know how. Just allow it to come. Go forward in your day feeling calm, confident, and abundant. Money is already finding its way to you. Trust it, believe it, receive it.